God-Given Talent presents
Welcome to Denzel's
World, Episode 15, the Philippines. For those who've never traveled to this beautiful country, my second home, it's very interesting. One moment you'll be in a very affluent neighborhood, and after a walk down the road, you'll find yourself exploring the complete opposite to that. To give a bit of perspective, the same price you pay for smashed avo and toast can buy you more than a house in those sorts of areas. Although these parts of the Philippines aren't beautiful when compared to a more touristy spot, an overseas adventure, for me, is exploring something I wouldn't see on a regular basis.
This was not planned on the trip, but I've randomly stumbled upon these markets along live railways. So trains literally pass by here. Let me show you. The trains come through here, and here's all these businesses and all these people living not even a meter away from the tracks. We're now gonna ride this thing here. Where do you want me to sit? Nice. Exercise. Woo! I see the train in that direction. There it is. Oh wait. In Australia they would not allow me to be this close to a train. Hashtag only in the Philippines. Like that, there's our experience. This small adventure is now over.
Whether traveling to a first world country or a third world country, there's one thing you should know. It's not the places you visit that are the highlights of the trip. It's actually the people you meet and the people you spend time with. If it weren't for the beautiful people that I met on my trip, I would probably not be coming back. But I'm going back. In August, I'm heading back to the Philippines, and I'll be staying there until the end of September. So for 6 weeks, I'm gonna be exploring this beautiful land once again. But I'm not there to see the places, I'm really there to see the people, because that's what made the trip the biggest highlight. And by finishing this video, I wanna say a massive thank you to everyone who helped me along the way whilst I traveled the Philippines. That's with accommodation, translating, and getting around, because if I didn't have you, I would have been lost. So thank you guys so much, and thank you for watching the Philippine trip vlogs. Bye-bye. We out here eating balut, which is a 19-day fertilized duck egg. So good.